Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Another video. Bro, I can't pronounce anything, dude. Sorry. It's like 4 a.m. in the morning, so yeah. Today we are using shotgun, and this is the reworked one. Also, uh, I don't know what to do right now. Hope you got have a good day or something because not for me. I'm a bit stressed out, but alright. So this is my second vid and hope you enjoy it. And yeah, let's just go to the thing that we fight. Alright guys. So right now, yeah, just that. So we're starting now and it's 4 a.m. So I'm sorry if I'm bad at the game for the moment. I mean, I'm always bad at the game, but come on now. Oh damn. This dude is bullet. It's annoying to fight. Mm-hmm. Huh? Fudge. It's rough. Okay. Time I suck. I don't know why it's not perfect dodge, but worth it. What? Okay. I don't get that one. Just kidding. It's kind of fake. Oh damn. I got countered. Good thing I'm fucked. Dang. I'm getting cooked by this guy, dude. Hmm. Dang. I'm cooked. Damn, bro, I can't freaking. Oh, damn. Well, I'm cooked anyway, so. Guess that works. I'm just bad. Alright. We're gonna have another fight with him, I guess. Alright. So that was first fight, and I gotta hold up. Oh wait, where he is? Oh shit. Okay. I'm getting cooked at again. What? I accidentally clicked. Holy shit. Okay, I'm getting cooked again. Okay, what the frick? Alright. Oh! Alright. Oh, damn! That counter, dude! Bro, it's insane. Alright. I didn't do shit then, so yeah, it's alright. This kid is pretty, very friendly actually. It's not toxic. Oh. Oh. I always forgot, like, I think I got too used at using, charge, because I always forgot to, backstep. Dang. Touch. Oh, I'm cooked. Damn. Kinda cooked. It's just this dude's counter is freaking painful, dude. Yeah. But, huh? something wrong. Oh, damn. Oh, sheesh. Oh well. GG again. Alright. Yeah, I just literally suck, dude. So I guess that's shotgun. So, oh, free mode. Alright, I'm gonna give it this guy, because why not? So, yeah, I'm just gonna give this dude. I mean, because why not? This is. Not really a balance trade, but alright. Alright, I guess that's all for now, and yeah, I'm tired as well. Alright, that's all, guys. So, that's shotgun. I'm very sorry if you didn't see the other form, and the other special in the fight. This little one. I'm sorry you didn't see it, so I'm just gonna show it to you here. The only downside, oh shit, oh wait, what the fuck, why am I so trash? The only downside about this is that this dude's stamina, or the shotgun stamina, is easily drained, so you really can't do much. Alright, here it is. Alright, we're not gonna talk about that. Alright, we're not gonna talk about that. Like, what the frick? We're not gonna talk about that, alright? Don't you dare comment. I mean, it's not like someone will comment, so. Holy damn. Oh, there it is. It's like some sort of a machine-ish. Kind of like. Sorry. Sorry I couldn't win, guys, but I guess that's shotgun. Probably next one is bullet. So, yeah. I mean, bullet is pretty much my main. So, I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and sub. Also, have a good damn day. And that's it. Hope you enjoy.